Kaya no, grabe. And imagine guys, in a short period of time, but we meet this. Ano ba? Asa to sila ni Ma'am? Sila ni si Ma'am Susan, mga pinasmasay yung mga movement. No? But here comes na dali karon celebrate our ribbon cutting. And after this, proceed na tayo dito sa may Punggos Hotel. To start, let's all welcome our PCO, Sir Raul Yauna, ably assisted by his wife, Ma'am Susan Yauna. Yan o. Milyong-milyong palakpak naman dyan. And of course, to welcome po nato ang matapusan ng mga leaders from different areas. Let's give a round of applause sa mga leaders ka na atiri karon. And of course, let's all welcome our BDM, Sir Mars Banda.
Okay.